Monday, October 23rd, second time out for the Fall Brawl. Going out of Huron. It is right now 37 degrees is what I got. It's a beautiful sunrise. Check it out. Should be really nice out. Let's go stay some walleye, guys. To be continued. Stay tuned. To be continued. Fish on, fish on. Walleye number one, guys. Number one was caught on this custom-made Bandit. Fish on, fish on. 60 back again, same. All right, walleye number two. No, this one is. This one was 80 back, assisted 2 ounce weight, a 25 snap to 80. Third fish was caught on this one. This is the DJ custom bait as well. Here's the third fish. No giants yet, but hey, it's fun. All right, fish on, fish on. One was 50 snap, 100 back. Carrot top. Alright, fourth walleye. Not aware, but a nice one. Alright, fish on. Number five. Fish on, fish on. All right, number six. I'm not gonna go weigh him in, but let's see how much he weighs, just to see. Probably 3 pounds something. All right, 3 pounds, 5 ounces. There you go. All right, that's a wrap. Going home. Got my 6 and I'm out. Didn't get anything big to weigh in, but that's okay. Got lots of time. It's my second time out for the Brawl. So yeah, just so you know what I use, Bandits. Multicolored was the best. The custom multicolored pound was the best. And then as far as a standard Bandit, I used Carrot Top. I think it's called Carrot Top. Maybe 4 hours of fishing in it, and then it was hot at first, and it died down, and then it got hot again. But anyways, all right, hey, thanks for watching. Good luck, all you full rollers.